untold legend. You a bird like a pheasant, peasant. I resonate revenue, blue leg of who? Unknown like X, homegrown since paid phones. I was getting domed like fitted caps. With rhythm my rap, lyrical facts, weapons and words, guns and verbs. Hood niggas and herbs with knowledge itself. Choke you out with your Prada belt, probably. And we don't pop mollies. Swagger John Gotti, king of the building lobby. With the pump shotty karate, the old beast Bruce Lee, rocking the kufi, Crown Royale, loopy, lyrical vandal, maniac psycho. Flossing any hood, won't get Vic like Michael Jordan when I'm all in. Applause for metaphors, I verbally murder any MC. Low key for a fee or free. Blue legacy, gospel of the streets. Profit on the beat, pop it at police, nigga. I'm unbeatable, unbreakable, untamable. Y'all little cats are pussy cats. Your boy Hop is a saber tooth. I blaze the boot. Hop, you really spit the truth. These new rappers are hating you, cause they know a win on me is nowhere near attainable.